Hello and welcome to another lecture in LangFlow and LangChain series by TechLatest.net. So far we had covered about the course overview and objectives. Then we had covered LangFlow overview, like exactly what is LangFlow. So in this lecture we will understanding the LangChain framework, exactly what is LangChain framework and what is the relation between LangFlow and LangChain and like how it works. So let's start our lecture. In this video, we'll explore the exciting world of AI development and how LangChain and LangFlow are revolutionizing the way we build AI application. So let's dive right in. LangChain is an open source library designed to simplify the development of application, leveraging the power of large language models. So basically, it provides a wide range of modules, including including chains, agents, and prompts, LLMs, memories, tools, toolkits, and wrappers, making it an ideal platform for building chatbot, text summarization, data generation, question answering, and more. So LangChain is built to be a highly customizable and flexible, allowing developers to create complex AI flows with ease. Its modular design enables users to mix and match different components to suit their specific needs. So LangFlow is a user-friendly, if we talk about LangFlow, so LangFlow is a user-friendly interface built on top of LangChain. Utilizing React Flow technology, it provides a drag and drop user interface for prototyping, LangChain flow and testing other modules. So LangFlow is designed to be a no-code visual prompting interface for experimenting with LLM flows. It supports a wide range of LangChain modules, making it easy for users to create complex AI applications without extensive coding knowledge. So what is the relationship between LangChain and LangFlow? This is one of the most important questions because many people don't know about the relation between LangFlow and LangChain, and LangFlow and LangChain both are different thing. Okay, so LangFlow is essentially a front end for LangChain. LangFlow is essentially a front end for LangChain, providing a seamless platform for effortless experimentation and prototyping of flows. LangChain is an engine that powers LangFlow, allowing users to leverage its capabilities for building advanced AI application. So in essence, LangFlow is a wrapper around LangChain, making it easy for users to interact with the LangChain framework without needing to write code. This synergy between LangChain and LangFlow enables users to focus on the creative aspects of AI developing rather than the technical details. So, what are the benefits of using LangChain and LangFlow? First, they simplify the process of AI development, making it accessible to a wider range of users. Second, they provide a high degree of customization and flexibility, allowing users to create complex AI flows tailored to their specific needs. Some common uses for LangChain and LangFlow include building chatbots, text summarization, data generation, question answering, and more. They are particularly useful for rapid prototyping and testing of AI application. So let's move to first LangChain website also. So go on any browser, and here you can see the LangChain website. And you can also explore the LangChain website. So build LangChain gives developers a framework to construct LLM-powered app easily. Observe Langsmith gives visibility into what's happening with your LLM-powered app, whether it's built with LangChain or not, and deploy. So LangServe makes serving an API for your LangChain application turnkey. Okay, so here you can also see that build your app with LangChain, build context-aware reasoning application with LangChain flexible framework that leverages your company's data and API. Future-proof your application by making vendor of optionally part of your LLM infrastructure design. So you can learn more about LangChain also if you open this also link. So the largest community building the future of LLM apps, LangChain Flexibles Abstraction and AI first toolkit make it the first choice for developers when building with GenAI. Okay, so LangChain keeps pace with the cutting edge, so you can do join 100K plus builders through standard development in LangChain Python and TypeScript framework. So you can also explore the docs. If you click on docs, so you can see the docs here. LangChain is a framework for developing application powered by LLMs, that is large language models. LangChain simplifies every stages of LLM application lifecycle. So development build your application using LangChain, open source building blocks and components, hit the ground running using third-party integrations and templates. Productionization using LangChain. This is not related to course. So deployment turn any chain into API with Lang is not also not related to course. Okay, so complete the framework consists of following open source library, LangChain core, LangChain community, LangChain, LangGraph, and you can also check the tutorials. Okay, so you can also check the ecosystem of overview, how to guides, install, and then the conceptual guides, LangChain core packages. These all stuff you can explore on website. If you click on products, so you can check the LangChain product also here. Okay. And apart from this, I think that's all about this lecture. And we will explore a lot of things in this lecture, like about the LangChain, LangFlow, what is the core relation between and what is the relation between LangChain and LangFlow. So, yep, that's all about this lecture. And after this, in conclusion, LangChain and LangFlow are powerful tools for AI development, offering a high degree of customization and flexibility. By leveraging the synergy between these two technologies, user can create complex AI application without extensive coding knowledge. If you are interested in learning more about LangChain and LangFlow, we should check out our resource and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more information content on AI and latest technologies. See you next time. So, yep.